Hi everyone, I'm Ria and today I'm going to talk to you about a topic that many people struggle with. All around in schools, when people are studying, they have trouble focusing on their work. So I'm going to tell you about myself and how I learned to focus properly. So I was trying to list down ways that I could practice every day to focus more and better on my studies during exams. So when our mind is all stressed and then we want to go and have fun, but then we keep getting distracted and then we start to give in to all the temptations, but then that just makes the situation worse. I tried many techniques that I found listed on videos, like listening to music, meditation, etc. But none of these were working properly. Instead, I found a question that really intrigued me. I wanted to know, what is the real reason why we keep getting distracted? So I asked my parents, family and friends questions, but I couldn't get a proper answer that I wanted. So I kept on searching, but I couldn't find any answers. I knew that if I could solve this mystery, I would be able to figure out the secret to having a strong focus naturally and not incepted through external ways. But then I realized that while I was searching for the answer, I had not done my homework for a week. I did not meet any of my friends or do any of the things that I had been enjoying so much. In other words, I had been so focused on finding out the answer that I had managed to ignore all the distractions without doing anything. And the main reason was the desire to find out the answer to a question. So from understanding that, I concluded that the desire was the main topic. If I could find out my desire, the reason why I wanted to do something, I would be able to focus on that task. So I asked myself, as a student of 8th grade, what could be my reason to study? So I decided to do some mind mapping to clear my thoughts and find out the answer to this question. And I found out that my answer was that my main reason to study is to make me and my parents happy. So I managed to focus after that because I knew my desire properly. So here are 4 key ways to focus. Number 1, find your reason to study. You should know that why do you want to study? What is your desire? Number 2, you should keep track of your progress. You should define your goal and make sure that you complete it in the time you've given yourself. Number 3, think of your present before you think of the future. And number 4, every time you do something good, congratulate yourself, because that's the best motivation you could get. So, but you know, these techniques, they don't just work for studying, they work for other things also. Like, I enjoy reading a lot, and I can use these techniques to find out how to read as well. I manage to focus on and ignore all the distractions when I'm doing anything by just using these simple methods. So I'm sure that many of you can also use these techniques to study on focus. Thank you.